Google has just launched a new feature in local search results, which is displayed right above the Google Map pack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how this can potentially affect your organic traffic and what you can do about it. Hold your breath because we're diving in now. Hi there, my name is Luc Durand, the founder of rankingacademy.co.uk, where I talk about the best tools, tips and tricks to help your small business grow online step by step and click by click. If it is your first time here, consider subscribing and clicking on the bell button so you don't miss a thing. A while back, Google was heavily criticized for using its dominant position in the world of internet search in Europe to push its own content and was fined a staggering 2.7 billion by the EU. It seems that in order to avoid any further penalty from the EU, Google has just introduced a new feature as part of local search results. This comes in the form of local directory buttons being displayed right above the Google Map pack, giving searchers an alternative to Google's local search result. This feature seems to be currently available throughout European countries only so far. Why is this important to your local business? The sheer position of the buttons in search results is very important as it sits right above the map pack and below Google Ads, so it is not to be ignored. These directories buttons are available on both desktop and mobile phones, which is likely to drive traffic away from people clicking on the Google Map pack's results. It's hard to say at this stage how much traffic will be diverted to these directories, but it's fair to say there will be some. The directories seem to be listed based on Google's algorithm and keywords being searched for. If I search for the keyword emergency electrician, for example, I get two directories listed, Gumtree and Yelp. If I then search for emergency electricians near me, I get a different set of results, which are Yelp and Yelp. Depending on the directories being listed and the keywords you have searched for, clicking on one of them will either take you to a category page where multiple businesses are listed, a single business page, or in some cases, a forum page. For example, if I search for dentist in London Bridge, I can see three different results. The first one is Yelp. If I click on it, I am directed to a page which shows the details of one specific dental practice. Clicking on the TripAdvisor result takes me to a TripAdvisor forum which talks about how to find an emergency dentist in London. While the third result, Treatwell, takes me to a page where three different businesses are listed. It seems that currently not all local business verticals are returning a list of directories in the results. If I search for second-hand car dealership, for example, I don't see any directories being listed. I'm sure it's just a matter of time before it's rolled out on a bigger scale, which gives you time to anticipate. The good news is, if you search for your business exact name, there will be no directories listed and you should still see your usual Google listing panel. So what should you do about this new feature to capitalize on it? Simple. Make sure your business is listed in all the main directories Google might use. And how do you do that? Well, if you are serious about search engine optimization and getting traffic to your website, you should already have a list of keywords you are trying to rank your business for. If not, I recommend you look into this fairly quickly. Once you have your list, search for each keyword in Google and make a note of the directories that get listed for each keyword. Once you have established a list of directories, check if your business is already listed in them. If it isn't, just add it. Most directories make this process fairly simple by just filling up a form. Please note, when you go through this process, it is extremely important you enter the exact same information in all directories. What I mean by that is your business name, address, and phone number, also known as NAP, must be identical across all directories, so it doesn't confuse Google when it comes across your listing in those directories. It will also help your SEO effort overall, as directory listing is one of the foundation of local SEO. Depending on the directories you've submitted your details to, it can take several days for your business to be listed, so be patient. You can keep track of your progress manually by checking each directory regularly to see if your business has been listed, which, to be honest, is a very tedious exercise. Alternatively, you can use a tool called Bright Local to do all the legwork for you. Bright Local makes it super simple to submit your business details in key directories, but also monitors the consistency of the business details you provide, so there is no room for mistakes. Any inconsistency gets highlighted in red so you can easily correct it. I use this tool personally for my clients, and it's a massive time saver. Bright Local also offers many other features such as tracking your rankings in Google, monitoring your online reputation, as well as integrating Google Analytics, Google My Business, and social media performance, making this a one-stop shop for local businesses who are serious about their online visibility. Bright Local is not free but offers a 14-day trial which doesn't require any credit card and is enough time for you to check if your business is listed in major directories or not, which is what Google seems to be using in this new feature. If you want to find out more about Bright Local, I've put a link in the description below. That's it for today. This is yet again another change from Google to which you will have to adapt if you want to stay on top of your marketing game. If you don't, one of your competitors will, so don't miss out. I hope you found this useful. As always, if you have any questions, post them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Until next time, happy marketing.